Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Vanguard skin in Fortnite. The Vanguard Zadie outfit is a fantastic free reward you can earn by simply playing the game. You'll need to achieve 50 account levels to unlock the main skin. This special event also offers a matching pickaxe and back bling, so you can complete the entire set. Make sure to log into Fortnite before May 6 to activate these exclusive quests. Earning account levels is key to getting your Vanguard Zadie skin. Focus on completing your daily and weekly quests, as these provide a substantial amount of experience points. Playing different game modes, including Battle Royale and Zero Build, will also contribute to your progress. Many creative maps are specifically designed to help players gain experience quickly, so consider exploring those options too. Beyond the main outfit, there are more free rewards to collect. You'll unlock Zadie's Blade pickaxe once you've earned 15 account levels. Continue your progress, and at 30 account levels, you'll receive the Zadie's Blade back bling. What's more, the Vanguard Zadie skin features special styles that reflect your highest achieved rank in various Fortnite modes, letting you proudly display your competitive achievements. Remember, there's a deadline to claim these fantastic free items. You need to earn 50 account levels by June 7 to secure the Vanguard Zadie skin and its accessories. While these items might appear in the item shop at a later date, this free opportunity is limited. To ensure you don't miss out, focus on completing quests and playing regularly to accumulate those valuable account levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.